Hey guys, I unlocked channel memberships. What this is for a few dollars a month, you can subscribe to me in a new way and unlock a ton of special benefits. Custom thumbnails, discounted merch, and tons more. If you guys are interested, go to youtube.com/FUZIONHERE/join. Hey, what's up guys? It's Fusion, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to grow on YouTube fast in 2019. So guys, I'm going to be covering 10 different tips, and the last 3, 8, 9, and 10 are actually going to be don'ts. First 7 are going to be do's, last 3 are don'ts. Before we hop in guys, I'd really appreciate a like, a subscribe, and check out my website and merch, link in description. Okay, so hopping into the number 1 spot, we have good quality. Now I know that everybody says this, and guys, I don't want you to skip this part because this is really important. What I mean by have good quality, there's multiple things here. There is mic quality, there's video quality, there's editing quality, there's thumbnail quality, there's just channel quality in general. Now guys, I can't cover all these things in one video. If you guys do want me to make a video on actual ways to improve your channel, I can do that. But just a few tips is, put some money into your channel. If you're trying to grow, you have to put a lot into what you're doing. So I know for me, I've spent quite a lot of money on my PC, on my mic. I've learned for years how to make thumbnails and how to edit well, and I think that my content is pretty good nowadays, and it's paying off a little bit. Number 2 is to post often. So guys, you don't want to never post. You don't want to post like once a month because you won't grow like that. I recommend, if you're a small channel / average size channel, to post at least 2 times a week. And make sure you pick good days. During the school year, I noticed that weekends work the best, so maybe even upload every Friday, Saturday, or Wednesday, Friday, something like that. Number 3, this links into number 2, don't post too much. So don't post every single day, because the only way that posting every single day can help you is if you're already a big YouTuber. If you post every day, yeah, you'll be fine. But if you're a small channel like me, and you only have a couple thousand, a couple hundred subs, if you post every single day, what is end up going to happen is you're just going to be putting so much effort, you're going to be working every day, you're not going to be getting a ton of support because you're not that big yet, and it also spams your channel. If you think about it this way, if I were to upload my past 7 videos all in 1 week, probably none of them would have done good because I'm posting one of them every single day, and half of the videos my subs wouldn't even watch. But because I'm spacing them out in a way where I post 3 times a week, or at least I try to, a lot of my active subscribers watch all 3. I hope you guys can understand that, and if you don't, let me know. Number 4 is stick to one thing. Oh my gosh, I am the worst at this, but it's not entirely my fault. Guys, if you make a channel about Call of Duty, don't stop doing Call of Duty, and if you do it permanently. My channel has gone through multiple different stages. When I first started my channel, I was really into Legos, so I made videos about Legos, about cool things I like to build, about Lego Ninjago. That was just my hobby. But then I switched into posting Call of Duty. Then I switched into posting Fortnite a few years later, and now I've switched to kind of like some gaming, how to Photoshop. Now, it isn't the best to do this. When you start posting, your first initial couple hundred subscribers are going to be what you're actually posting for. So if you're making Fortnite videos, all those fans are going to watch Fortnite. If you then go and you start making Call of Duty videos, none of those subs that watch Fortnite are going to watch Call of Duty unless they like Call of Duty, which a chance for a certain group to like a different group of content is very low. So honestly, my tip to you is, if you are doing one type of content right now, try to stay on that as long as you can, get as many subs as you can, and then when you switch, try it out. Like, try out making a few Call of Duty videos. If they do good, go for it. If they're doing horrible, I don't recommend it, because you can easily kill your channel, and it's really hard to come back from killing your channel. Number 5 is actually treating your fans good. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I try to make it one of my highest priorities to treat my fans like their family. I try to treat every single person that supports me with the highest respect I can. I try to reply to as many people as I can, and I would just never be rude to a fan because you guys give so much to me. Why wouldn't I give to you guys? So honestly, respond to your fans, love them, give back with giveaways once in a while if you want to, it's your choice, and yeah, just treat your fans right. Number 7, more has to do with gaming, but it can relate to other type of videos. This is who you surround yourself with in your videos. If you're making vlogs or you're making gaming videos, the people that are in your videos are going to be a big part of it. If you're making vlogs and you're doing something cool in the video, but you have friends with you who are just like mad all the time or hate what you're doing or just negative, horrible people, it's going to bring your video way down. If I'm watching a video and I see somebody in the video like all mad and whatever, I don't want to watch the video and I just leave. But if I'm watching a video, everybody's laughing, everybody's having a good time, everything is going good with the YouTuber, then I'll stay. So honestly, play and make videos with the right people. Don't make videos with people who are going to, insult you in your own video and kind of make it a very hostile, weird atmosphere, unless that's what you're going for. I mean, if you're going for comedy videos and you're doing comedy with it, fine. But I'm talking about like normal videos. Don't surround yourself with jerks. Now to get into the don'ts. So, we have 3 here. I'm going to go into these quickly. They are very, very, very important subjects. Number 8 is shoutouts. Shoutouts are not good. So you don't know how many times people ask me to shout them out. They ask other people to shout them out. Guys, don't ask for shoutouts. I understand where you're coming from, but honestly, they do way more bad than they do good. What happens when you ask for a shout out and somebody actually shouts you out? Let's say I ask for a shout out from somebody with like 50,000 subs. I get like 300 subs from it. Here's what's going to happen. All those 300 subs, at least 150 of them are just going to subscribe and then go back to watching the video. The other 150 will probably click on my latest video, like it, and leave. Maybe a couple of them will continue watching my channel. Do you get where I'm going at? Whenever you get a shout out, unless they actually care enough to click on your video, they like you, and then they keep watching you, you're not gonna get any active subs. All you're gonna get is like 300 inactive subs, and then your channel is just gonna look bigger than it actually is. So I don't recommend ever getting shoutouts. If you do, cool, but don't beg for them because they end up just turning into a negative. The only way that shoutouts actually can be good though is if you are like playing with other people a lot. Like let's say you were best friends with a YouTuber who has a lot more subs than you, and then you say, hey guys, go check out my buddy Fred that I'm playing with all the time. If people already like Fred from your videos, then they'll go over to his channel and probably subscribe. That's the only time it can be good. Number 9 is sub for sub. Oh my gosh, dude, don't get me started on this. Guys, do not sub for sub. Please don't sub for sub. You guys don't understand. When you sub for sub, here's what happens. You go, hey man, you want to sub for sub? Yeah, bro, sure. You go to his channel, you subscribe. He goes to your channel, he subscribes. Guys, when you sub for sub, I know that I used to when I was a very small channel. When you sub for sub with somebody, do you actually subscribe to them and then go and watch their videos? No, you sub to their channel and never click on another video. When I would sub for sub way long ago, I would subscribe to somebody's channel and then that was like the last time I'd ever see them. Like, gone. So that's gonna happen to you. When somebody subs to you for sub, they're never gonna watch you again. All that's happening is you're just gonna get inactive subscribers that do nothing for you. And the reason why having inactive subs is bad is because not only do people look at your channel like you're a bigger deal and then they see that you don't get as much views as your channel size should, and they might judge you for that. But also, it just makes you feel like bad about yourself. You know, if you have hundreds of subs and you only get like a few views a video, you're just gonna think, oh wow, man, I have all these subscribers. The reason why you're not getting any views is because you don't actually have those subscribers. Everybody that is a sub for sub is literally just an invisible subscriber. They might click on a video 1 in 50 videos. And number 10, the last bad one, last one in general, is buying subs. This is by far the worst one. Everything that applies from sub for sub applies to this one. Buying subs is literally just you buy subscribers and that's it. Your channel might get banned if YouTube catches you and if they care. Most likely they're gonna get taken off anyway. YouTube nowadays, a lot of times they remove bot subscribers, so don't buy subs. It's by far the stupidest thing you can do. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Then drop a like and subscribe, guys. And let me know if you guys do want that video, like 10 ways to improve your channel. I definitely could make it. I have a couple ideas right now similar to this video. And anyways guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. And guys, before you go, remember God loves you. Go look up John 3:16 right now.